Do boys cry? Yeah. Do girls cry? Do I need to answer that? Okay. What is good? Yes, it was an act. There's nothing in the cup. What is good, YouTube? What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic, and today we're gonna do a very simple tutorial for you guys. It's a cleaning tutorial, but it's a little bit different. Yes, this is our shoe mic. It's a mic attached to a pair of 9.5 out of 10, if you wanna call that a rating. Nike Dunk Low. I'm cheating right now. Pro QS SB Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS. Girls don't cry. Let me grab a cup that actually has something in there. Woo! Give me the box. All right. Fail. Check out this crazy unboxing for you guys. Oh man, can you guys see? I don't care. Woo! Yes, we're gonna be using this. All right, let's grab the other pair out of this pinky box. Pink box. Crep Protect Eraser, the ultimate scuff eraser. Now, this is brand new. I haven't actually used this. Prove to you guys, it's brand new. Still sealed up. I don't know why they have to do so much packaging for such a stupid little eraser. Now, there is a scuff mark on the left side of this pair of shoe. By the way, if you guys need to know, it's one of my clients, and they usually drop me a bunch of shoes. They have a store. Yeah, this is where the 9.5 out of 10 came from earlier. $2,150, $2,150 Canadian. So let's try to be careful with this. Let's open this up. Now, it's very easy to use this. I've never used suede erasers before. So it says, gently buff the affected area to remove dirt and grime. Sorry. No water, no mess, just instant results. The pocket-sized design is perfect for use on the move. All right, materials, silicone dioxide, rubber auxiliaries. All right, fancy. Let's open this up. Cool. It's got some good weight to it. I like how they stamp their logo on both sides of this eraser, basically giving you less eraser material. So the scuff, dirt, whatever mark, it's actually right here. Okay, I can't really see it. I'm gonna go ahead. I don't know what I was doing. Sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and test this. So it says gently buff the area. This should be very easy. All right, let's just erase this. I hope I'm not erasing the red suede off of the shoes. It looks like it's damaging already. Now this definitely comes in handy because say if you got a little dirt mark on your suede shoes or nubuck pair of shoes, you don't want to wet clean it or spot clean it because that's gonna leave a stain on it. That's gonna look ugly. I've done it before for my pair of shoes and I regret it. But this is how you're supposed to actually spot clean stains on suede and nubuck. It's supposed to be very safe. I hope. I don't know. All right, it looks like it's doing something. No mess, just instant results. Looks pretty messy to me. I'll be right back. Let me grab my pair of shoes. Much better. The Patta. All right, let's put this over here. Air Jordan 7. This is what I'm talking about. This is called a collab. No hate to Girls Don't Cry. I actually had a little stain last year, and I was so stupid. I was wet spot cleaning that particular area. So now, let me just brush the nap a little bit over so you guys can kind of see. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a little faint mark right there. Yeah, that's actually stupid. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this. see if it does anything. I don't think it will. Just sanding away my patta. Maybe it only works for actual dirt stains. I'm gonna stop. Let's put this over here. Can I get something that's okay? Actually, dirty. This is actually a good brand since 1962, way before I was born. Is there any dirt marks on this though? I really want to test it on something. Right there, right on the inner heel area, that section there. It looks kind of dirty, so let's go ahead and test this. I guess this is done. It looks good to me. Let's just charge them like double the price for all this trouble and me making a tutorial. Let's just gently brush this. I don't even know if this is how you're supposed to do it, but I'm buffing it. I think it's nice. I think it actually worked. That's kind of cool. Check that out. Can you guys see? Let's put this away. I guess it kind of works. I apologize. I don't have very dirty suede shoes to demonstrate for you guys. So aside from this crumbly mess, just brush that away. This Crep Eraser, Scuff Eraser, it works. I just gotta test more because this is the first time using this product. Is it easy to use? Yes. Does it make no mess? No, it makes mess, but it is what it is. You know what? I'm done. This tutorial is actually kind of pointless. I apologize. Where's my milk tea? I don't even know why I bought her. Oh my god. There's a little dirt mark there on my skin. Do not use it on skin.